Hey, good morning, everybody. Motorcycle shenanigans back again, as always. Got a nice, cool Saturday morning. The usual, going to work on my 2008 Suzuki Hayabusa. And more proof that sport bikes can be reliable as an everyday vehicle. Combination reliable at high mileage. Just because, say, this Hayabusa has 21,000 miles doesn't make it not worth the money. It just means that this bike hasn't just been sitting in someone's garage. I mean, I get it, we all want low miles, but to be practical, when you've got a bike that's, 10 years old with super low miles, it means it's just been sitting for a good portion of its life. I mean, was it sitting outside? Was it sitting in a garage? Was it getting exposed to the weather, the heat, the cold every year? Hell, that's worse than a high mileage on a bike. And if you take care of your bike, maintenance and everything else, high mileage is not a problem. Or, I mean, not to me anyway. Like I said, 21,000 miles on my Hayabusa. It's a 2008, so, exactly 10 years old at this point. I've put about 2,000 miles of those since I've bought it. Haven't had a single issue with it. And I don't expect to in the future either. We recently sold a 2009 Honda CBR at our shop. If you look at some of my past reviews, I did a ride review of it. It had 24,000 miles, and a lot of people kept complaining that it was high mileage. I mean, it just means that guy rode the bike. But if you look at it, and he rode it like I did, there was nothing wrong with it at all. I mean, it still started, ran, and operated cherry. I mean, if I hand you a bike that had 5,000 miles and that bike and just swap the instrument clusters, you may not be able to tell which one was which. So, based on that, I look at the quality of the miles that were put on it. And like I said, where was the bike kept in a low mileage bike? I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm still seeking out lower miles. I mean, if I see the same price, obviously I'm going to go with the bike that's got lower miles. Not arguing that at all. What I am considering is that, that other guy might have just ragged the bike for that small amount of time. He may not ride, and the only time he does ride is hard. I mean, this bike's got a lot of miles, but as you can see from all my videos, I commute to and from work. I mean, seriously, the fastest I get up to is 65. I'm at a 10% throttle max. I mean, it doesn't hurt it. Now, 10 years ago, when I owned my 2006 R1 with the 50th anniversary limited edition yellow, that was a different story. I was young, stupid, and I did wheelies everywhere, started doing stoppies. If you look at some of my older videos, that's when I started getting kind of good at doing wheelies. Those are, I think, called Sinister Biscuits. Because I'm the Lord of Biscuits outside of motorcycle shenanigans. And I was part of a group called Sinister 600s. I started off on a 600, and then I was one of the only few that upgraded to a leader bike. But anyway, moral of the story, high mileages don't kill a bike. You know, I mean, it doesn't, you know, completely drop the value. Everybody thinks, oh, a bike's got 10,000 miles. Oh, no, it's high mileage. Nah. And if you look at your Italian bikes, and you see them, you see many a Ducati sold, you know, around the 7,500 mile mark. You know, Aprilia is right under 10,000. And if you know the market, especially on Italians, around those times are when the Valve services are due, which are obviously dealer recommended if you've never done them. And those can cost, I think I've seen some Aprilia, some, you know, to $800 to $1,000, and some Ducatis. Well, I called Ducati for my Ducati 848. They wanted $1,800 to do that. That was ridiculous. So you have, you know, your regular Ducati owners, and then you have your temporary Ducati owners. You know, so I mean, that's why you see real low miles on some Italian bikes like that. But yeah, when I bought this, it had 19,000. That didn't steer me away from buying it. And I wouldn't regret buying it. I love this bike. Alright guys, well, gotta go to work. Moral of the story, bikes are awesome. High miles doesn't kill them. I mean, as long as it's not ridiculous. Appreciate you watching, guys. Bye.